Welcome to Market Peaker. Today, we're diving into one of the biggest challenges for Forex traders: controlling emotions. Mastering your mindset is just as important as mastering charts or strategies. Let's break it down. First, stay disciplined. Trading without a plan often leads to impulsive decisions driven by fear or greed. Always stick to your trading plan and preset risk limits. This will keep emotions in check. Next, accept losses as part of the game. No trader wins 100% of the time. Treat losses as learning opportunities, not failures. Dwelling on them only clouds your judgment. Avoid revenge trading. Chasing losses often leads to more mistakes. If a trade doesn't go your way, take a break, clear your mind, and come back with a fresh perspective. Lastly, manage stress. Set realistic goals and don't overtrade. The market will always be there, so focus on steady growth, not quick wins.